What if you could wake up one day and no longer need glasses? I know it sounds impossible, right? You've probably been told that your vision can only get worse over time, that once you start wearing glasses or contacts, there's no turning back. Maybe your eye doctor told you that it's just genetics, or that aging naturally makes your eyesight worse. And so, year after year, you get stronger prescriptions, thicker lenses, and you start believing that blurry vision is just something you'll have to live with. But let me ask you this, have you ever stopped to wonder if there's another way? What if you could keep your eyesight from getting worse, or even improve it, naturally? What if glasses aren't the only solution? You see, there's a growing body of research that shows you can support and protect your vision with simple, natural changes to your diet and lifestyle. I'm not saying you'll throw your glasses away tomorrow. But what if you could slow down the progression of your eye problems? What if your vision could actually get better? Wouldn't that be worth exploring? Here's the real question I want to ask you. Do you feel like your glasses have become a crutch? Like every time you get a new prescription, your vision just gets worse and worse? If you've ever felt frustrated or hopeless about your eyesight, tell me in the comments. I genuinely want to hear your story. Because I've been down that road, and I know how powerless it feels. But today, I'm here to tell you that there is hope. In this video, we're going to uncover the secrets to better eye health. I'll share with you the most powerful herbs, vitamins, and supplements that you can use to protect and even improve your vision. We'll talk about the best teas to nourish your eyes, the nutrients your eyes are begging for, and some natural tips to prevent eye diseases like cataracts and glaucoma. And make sure you stay with me until the end, because I'm giving away a special recipe. A powerful, nutrient-packed drink you can make at home to supercharge your eye health. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Now, let's dive in. The first thing you need to know is that your eyes are incredibly delicate. They're working non-stop from the moment you wake up until you go to bed at night. They're exposed to artificial light, screen glare, pollutants, and even internal stress from things like poor diet or lack of sleep. All of this takes a toll on your vision over time, but here's the thing, your eyes are also incredibly resilient. They have the ability to repair and protect themselves if you give them the right nutrients and care. And that's what we're going to focus on today. How to nourish your eyes so they can work at their best and stay healthy for years to come. Let's start with something simple yet incredibly powerful, teas. Yes, certain herbal teas have been shown to have amazing benefits for your eyes. Let's go over the best ones and why they work so well. First on the list is green tea. This one is a powerhouse when it comes to eye health. Why? Because it's loaded with antioxidants like catechins, which fight oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the main reasons our eyes age and develop conditions like cataracts and glaucoma. Green tea also helps reduce eye pressure, which is crucial for preventing glaucoma. Studies have shown that drinking green tea regularly can protect the delicate tissues in your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. To get the most out of green tea, drink 1 or 2 cups a day. It's simple, effective, and tastes great. If caffeine is an issue for you, you can always go for decaffeinated green tea, which still has plenty of antioxidants. Next up is chamomile tea. This tea is famous for its calming properties, but it's also great for your eyes. Chamomile is anti-inflammatory, which makes it perfect for relieving eye strain and irritation. If you spend hours staring at a screen, chamomile tea can help soothe your tired eyes. You can drink it, or you can steep the tea bags, let them cool, and place them over your closed eyes for a spa-like experience. Another fantastic tea is fennel tea. Fennel, also known as anise, is great for improving blood circulation to your eyes. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your eye tissues, which can help prevent conditions like macular degeneration. Plus, fennel is rich in antioxidants that protect your retina from damage. And who could forget blueberries? Blueberry tea, or even blueberry supplements, are a game changer for eye health. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that strengthen the blood vessels in your eyes. They've been shown to improve night vision and even help prevent cataracts and glaucoma. You can drink blueberry tea, eat fresh blueberries, or add them to smoothies. Finally, there's peppermint tea. This one might surprise you, but peppermint is excellent for improving eye circulation and relieving pressure in the eyes. If you're worried about glaucoma, this tea is definitely worth adding to your routine. Now let's talk about vitamins and supplements. These are the building blocks your eyes need to stay healthy. Hey there! If you're enjoying the content and want more, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button below the video. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest uploads and be part of our awesome community. It's completely free, and your support means a lot. Thanks a bunch for considering it. Let's start with the most well-known vitamin for eye health, vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for good vision, especially in low light. It helps your retina function properly and prevents dryness in your eyes. Foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach are packed with vitamin A. If you prefer supplements, just be cautious. Too much vitamin A can be harmful, so stick to the recommended dose. Next, we have lutein and zeaxanthin. These are carotenoids that act like natural sunglasses for your eyes. They filter out harmful blue light and protect your retina from damage. You'll find them in leafy greens like kale and spinach as well as in egg yolks. Studies show that taking 10 mg of lutein and 2 mg of zeaxanthin daily can lower your risk of macular degeneration. Let's not forget omega-3s. These fatty acids are amazing for your eyes. They help with dry eye disease and reduce inflammation, which is critical for overall eye health. You can get omega-3s from oily fish like salmon, or you can take a fish oil supplement. Look for one that contains at least 1,000 mg of EPA and DHA, the active forms of omega-3s. Another pair of vitamins that are essential for your eyes are vitamin C and vitamin E. Both are powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from oxidative stress. Vitamin C is especially good for preventing cataracts, while vitamin E helps maintain the health of your eye cells. You can find these vitamins in citrus fruits, nuts, and seeds, or you can take a multivitamin. Finally, we have zinc. Zinc is a mineral that helps your body absorb vitamin A and supports the health of your retina. Foods like beans, nuts, and shellfish are excellent sources of zinc. If you go for a supplement, aim for 8 to 11 mg per day. Now that we've covered teas and supplements, let's talk about some natural tips to boost your eye health even further. Have you heard of the 20-20-20 rule? It's a simple trick to reduce eye strain. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This gives your eyes a break and helps prevent digital eye strain. Another important tip is to get enough sleep. Your eyes need rest to recover from the day's stress. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. If you struggle with sleep, melatonin supplements can help, and they might even protect your eyes from macular degeneration. Always wear sunglasses when you're outside. UV rays can damage your eyes over time, leading to cataracts and other problems. A good pair of sunglasses can block out harmful rays and keep your eyes safe. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Dry eyes are often a sign that your body needs more water. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and consider using a humidifier if you live in a dry climate. As promised, here's a special recipe to boost your eye health, a delicious smoothie packed with nutrients your eyes will love. You'll need 1 cup of spinach for lutein and zeaxanthin, half a cup of blueberries for antioxidants, half an orange for vitamin C, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds for omega-3s, 1 cup of almond milk for vitamin E, and a little honey if you like it sweet. Blend everything together and enjoy. It's not just tasty, it's a powerful way to nourish your eyes from the inside out. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. Which tea, vitamin, or tip are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use some eye health advice. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Until next time, take care of your eyes, they're the only pair you've got.